Alright guys, so today is the real official first day of actually bolting stuff to the car. I'm kind of excited. I don't know how far I'm going to get. So minor goal is today, because I've been setting very large goals and haven't been able to reach them, is I want to get the fuel tank back up into the car. That's it. Real simple, small, smooth. Everything's good to go with it, so literally just stick it underneath there and put some bolts in it. So we're gonna see where that gets us. So you guys just stick with me through that, and then if some other stuff comes up, there is. I'm going to spray my rear end today, so I will be doing that. So other than that, we'll see where we get. All right, guys. So if you can remember, I fully undercoated the whole car. And it looks really good. It still does. So that's where obviously where the fuel tank's gonna go, and there's fuel lines, a couple of brake lines. One of them's cut. I'm gonna fix that. So I gotta get this exhaust here out of the way, and then I thought I remembered to put them bolts back in the tank straps, but I must have not done that, which is not that big of a deal. I know where all the bolts are. I just got to find the ones that go in there. So, other than that, you guys, it shouldn't be that hard of a job. I imagine I'll find a way to make it more complicated than what it is. So, you guys just sit tight and enjoy the time lapse. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take just a few minutes out here to go ahead and set my rear end up to get it painted. It's just heavy, very heavy, as you kind of seen in one of the videos. I don't know how I'm gonna get it from there, so I'd like to do it right here because there's no grass. So I'm not completely sure. It's very heavy. I don't really have much help to move it, so I don't want to paint it on the trailer, although the trailer could use a paint job. But I really don't want to, like, you know, paint the wood up. So, anyway, I will tend to this, get an idea, and then I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I got the first coat slash half of the second coat on the rear end. So I'm gonna let that cure for probably a good hour or two, maybe. Come back in and see, and then probably flip it over and do the other side. It's heavy getting it from the part of the trailer down to the ramp. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go back in and tackle the fuel tank. I had to get out and get aligned, and I figured, well, since I got out, I might as well go ahead and put one coat on that, just in case this goes really well, because it's still kind of early in the evening. I might be able to start attaching some suspension components tonight, so we will see. So I'm back to the fuel tank and getting that all squared away. Alright guys, so I've got some stuff figured out. It took some research and some digging, but the fuel lines, all that stuff, I have plumbed up the right way. It's just with the C5 filter regulator conversion, you do that so you can flow better, more fuel obviously, but than over the factory stuff. But anyway, that kind of threw me for a loop because of the evap stuff and some other things. So anyway, I'm going to be able to now line this stuff up, get this stuff on the tank, and get the tank up in the car. So far it's been kind of a headache, but it's panning out to be all right. So we'll continue on until we get the tank up in there. Alright guys, so I am underneath the here. I've got all the fuel lines hooked up, hopefully correctly. We'll find out. I've got the hot wire kit grounded in up here. Everything else is plugged in here, and then the tank, the dirty muddy thing behind me, is right here. So anyway, I've got as far as I think I'm gonna get tonight. It's late, and unfortunately I do have to work in like 5 hours. So tomorrow will be suspension and getting the rear end in, which is not a total bummer that I didn't get done today because the paint's not dry on the rear end. Therefore I'd just be messing it all up trying to get it underneath here. So I'll give it a full 20 hours to cure, and we'll be able to get it in here and hopefully hang it up tomorrow. We'll have to see. So Alright, so you guys, thanks for watching. and I'll catch you guys later.